Good evening. I had my tribute before, but it's not in the program, so I'll read it. But thank you for the one who wrote it. Dear Mom, my love, I expect things like I'm going to miss you days, weeks, months, years. You'll never be the same. Our lives are just me and you. The small family, how you used to call it. Things are going to be different now because my greatest fear became a reality. Losing you. You gave me the best life to the point I was so glad and relieved that it was just the two of us. It's hard knowing I'll never be able to hear your beautiful voice because I will miss our daily conversations, especially morning and night, the ones after a night out of having fun. Speaking of fun, I believe there is no mom, there is no one who enjoyed life like you did. I always tell everyone that I want to enjoy life like my mom, and that's still the same case. Thank you for going far beyond to give me all I wanted. You was going to the best schools, you gave me that. Going for holidays every year, you made that a tradition. And watching football live, you gave me all the unlimited access, unconditional love. You spoiled me with it. I will miss how you shouted my name. Yes, you shouted my name. We live in a small house, but yes, I understood you because apparently Glucos have loud and strong vocal cords. I will miss how you used to use my hair to comb and fix your wigs and want my judgment on how smartly dressed you are. We did a lot together. I mean, it was just you and me, and I'm going to miss every single moment and activity we did. You are and will always be my best friend. I was the ultimate mama's boy, even with a fully grown beard and a bald head. He still did everything for me, and for that, I will always love and give thanks to God for making you my beautiful, loving, caring, fun mother. May your soul rest in peace till we meet again. I'll forever love you, Mama, now and in the next afterlife. Rest well, my love. I love you.
Thank you so much. Tumpigie makofi, let's encourage you. Asante sana. The next is sisters. They will be represented by Elizabeth. Elizabeth anajitayarisha. Yes.
Grace, maybe you can say something before you. Our dear sister Wanjiko, never thought we would lose you. But here we are standing alone without you by our side. You are a sister for life. We promised, but now you are gone. I don't know what to do. We don't know what to do without you. I'm trying to hold on to keep strong, but it just doesn't feel right. We are waiting here, our arms wide open, tears running down our face, ready for your return. But even if it takes forever, our sister, we will love you We will cherish you. We will love you even in death. And we love you for everything you have done in our lives. You have been our comforter, our pillar, and you have made us feel strong because you know we are in a better place. May God bless everyone and thank you.
Okay, tupigie makofi. Next is Brother Jenga. Brother Jenga. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Muriela. Chikago chakawage duku. Tribute kwa my sister Nedi na andika tondu ikirahotire kwandika tondu maundu maria njikirire ni maingi muno na ndingihota kwandika. Kiria ngiuga ni ati thiini wa muturire wakwa hena mundu wa bata muno wanjeherera na no uyu ukomete haha. One mundu uramenye understanding ona ingiramuhurire thimu ndimwire ndina thina ona ndaranjokagiria arambara agacuku thina ucio wakwa niĩ personally ndĩ ta brother yake ũrĩa mũnini nĩararũgamĩte na niĩ mũno. Penina Wanjikũ Gĩthuku o harĩa ũrĩ matu ũmenye ngũtũũra kwendete na kũririkanaga. Ndigũkwĩra nĩtũgacemania rĩngĩ tondũ ndiũĩ kũu nĩ kwenda kwa Ngai. No kuga atĩ Ngai arekire kwenda gwake. Ũkome thayũ. Kwendete muno agũtũũra kwendete na arĩa manina baba ngwĩra nĩ kũrĩ Ngai matu-inĩ na no nginya mamina baba mwĩyũmĩrĩrie tondũ haha tiho mũico. Nĩ watigĩrwo ciana ingĩ, nĩ watigĩrwo Njeri, nĩ watigĩrwo Wangũi, nĩ watigĩrwo Wakonyo na makĩria ya mothe nĩ watigĩrwo niĩ mwanake waku Njenga wa Gĩthuku na mwĩyũmĩrĩrie. Inyuothe nĩmũcokerie ngatho nĩ ũndũ ũguo mũrũgamĩte na ithuĩ na gũtũtirĩrĩra. Ngai amũrathime mũno na kamũira ndĩkĩtie nĩngwenda gũcokeria my boss ngatho mũno, CEO David Ng'ang'a Kang'ethe wa Kangaru rangi wa iratũ. Thengiũ mũno na Ngai akũrathime mũno nĩ ũguo ũrũgamĩte na bamĩrĩ na makĩria ya mothe ũkahe wĩra. Ngai akũrathime na wĩ wa bata na wĩ wa mwanya na inyuothe Ngai amũrathime nĩ gũtũũmĩrĩria. Rĩĩtwa rĩa Ngai rĩgocwo tene na tene. Na hau itarĩkĩtie Bishop, nĩ nyendete kũina mũno na kũgoca no ndinaga tondũ ndikĩrĩ mũgambo, no nĩngũria tondona Cege wamirie gũkũ he rwĩmbo rũinagwo atĩ ũgwĩciria mũndũ ũcio aiguire atĩa ahutia mahĩndĩ ma Elisa. Korwo no nyone mũndũ kũnyitĩra kĩgoco kĩu kana Martin Wanjame ngoro yakwa no igue yahorera na njigue ndacokwo nĩ thayũ mũno. Ngai amũrathime. I think that is healthy and ũndũ ũcio no wa bata mũno na reke itũhũrĩre Njenga rũhĩ. We follow request.